Most trading bots are built for high-action, high-volatility sessions. But what if I told you that you can build a trading bot that makes quiet, consistent profits while you sleep? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I built a bot for the Asian session. When volatility is low, spreads are tight, and the noise is minimal. Stick around because I'm not just showing you the bot. I'm giving you each ChatGPT prompt I used and why it matters at every stage. The Asian session is unique. Low volatility, low spread, especially on JPY, AUD, and NZD pairs, minimal news events, and it's ideal for range-bound scalping bots. So our goal is simple. Build a bot that trades within predictable overnight ranges using small, consistent take profits. The pairs we'll focus on are USDJPY, AUDJPY, and NZUSD. The trading window is from 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. UTC. For entries, we'll use RSI and EMA-based range signals. Exits are set for 10 to 15 pip take profit with a tight stop loss. And risk per trade, just 0.5% to 1%. Okay, so here's the first prompt. ChatGPT, help me connect Python to MetaTrader 5 using the MetaTrader 5 library. Show me how to initialize the connection and retrieve basic price data. Now, why does this matter? Well, this is your foundation. Without a connection, your bot simply can't trade or fetch any data at all. Next up, here's the second prompt. ChatGPT, write Python code to get OHLCV data for USDJPY on the 5-minute chart during the Asian session hours. That's 2300 to 0400 UTC. Why do we care about this? Because we only want to trade during this session. Plus, it teaches you how to filter candles by time, which is pretty important. And now for the third prompt. ChatGPT, create a function that gives a buy signal when RSI 14 crosses above 30 and price is above the 50 EMA. Give a sell signal if RSI crosses below 70 and price is below the 50 EMA. So why bother with these filters? Well, these help identify mini breakouts or range bounces in a quiet market. Basically, we avoid chasing trends and focus on more controlled entries. Prompt number 4. ChatGPT, write a Python function to execute a market order with a 12 pip take profit and 8 pip stop loss on USDJPY using MetaTrader 5 Python API. So why do we want this? Well, we're aiming for short-term scalps here. The bot will enter trades and exit quickly for consistent small wins, which is honestly just ideal during those slow sessions. Prompt number 5. ChatGPT, calculate dynamic lot size for each trade based on a $10,000 account risking 1% per trade with an 8 pip stop loss. Why is this important? Asian session equals low movement, so tighter risk is needed. Dynamic sizing makes sure we've got consistent exposure. Prompt number 6. ChatGPT, help me make sure the bot only places trades between 2300 and 0400 UTC using Python date time. Why? Well, this is crucial. You only want this bot active during those calm Asian hours. The wrong time means honestly just the wrong market conditions. So, here's the thing. Why would you want to add a Forex Factory or Economic Calendar API filter to avoid trading 1 hour before or after high-impact events? Well, even during those quieter Asian hours, you can still get the occasional news that really spikes volatility. This kind of filter honestly helps protect your bot during those rare but disruptive events. Prompt number 8. ChatGPT, show me how to loop my trading signal function every 5 minutes and check for entries automatically. Why? The bot must check the market regularly. 5-minute intervals are perfect for scalping-based strategies. Prompt number 9. ChatGPT, how can I deploy my Python trading bot on a Windows VPS to keep it running overnight without interruptions? Why? You can't rely on your home PC to run 24/7. A VPS ensures your bot stays live while you sleep peacefully. This isn't a get-rich-quick bot. It's designed for low-stress, consistent performance. Some nights it won't trade, some trades will lose. But over time, small wins add up, and all while you rest. Remember, your job isn't to interfere. Your job is to build the rules and let the bot follow them. If you want me to turn this into a downloadable PDF cheat sheet or build it live in the next video, drop a comment below, make it live. Like, subscribe for weekly trading bot content, and share this with a trader who overtrades at night. I made $1,000 while sleeping, and now so can you. See you in the next one.